So welcome back, everybody, from spring break and all this other stuff too. I just want to talk to you a few minutes here today about how we're going to proceed for the next couple of weeks, since we're going to be out of school and still learn a bit of chemistry. So the biggest thing is for you to understand where to find everything. It's going to be on Classroom, just like usual, Google Classroom. There's a link in Schoology, but it just basically directs you back to Google Classroom, the same Google Classroom we've been using. And pretty much everything is going to be videos, ed puzzles, might be some little activities, fed activities, things like that. Most of what we're going to be doing for the next couple of weeks at least will be homework assignments, essentially. I don't know what's going to happen with tests in the future, but we're just going to take notes, do the assignments, and assume that at some point you could be tested until we sort of figure out what that's going to look like. But we're gonna treat it as normally as possible. Just obviously not doing the labs with real chemicals because you're going to be at home. So those assignments are going to be ed puzzles. Are going to be found on Classroom. What I'm planning on doing is a once-a-week post. Not a ton of stuff, very reasonable. The first one is going to be coming out Thursday, and actually that's going to be, I'm posting this video on Wednesday, whether you watched it or not. But this first week, your first assignment is actually going to be on Thursday, and then I'm just doing that to get in kind of a regular schedule. So every Thursday at 8 a.m. you should see an assignment. Now technically this is an assignment, because I'm posting it through Edpuzzle. You'll get some homework points just for watching this whole video. But then the first real chemistry assignment, where we're picking up where we left off with thermochemistry and spontaneity of reactions, will happen tomorrow, Thursday. 8 a.m. it'll post, and you'll have basically a week to do it. So Wednesday, just before midnight, would be when it will be due. And then as far as getting help, the office hours, we're calling it Monday and Wednesday from 3 to 4 p.m. in the afternoon. I'll host a Google Hangout Meet question and answer session for you guys to ask any questions that you have about the content, anything from the ed puzzle you didn't understand. Maybe you're only halfway through the ed puzzle and you want to ask some questions before you complete it because you were really confused about a certain part. And any other day besides Monday and Wednesday, I will check my email at 3 o'clock every afternoon, just so that we also have that if you want to email me. And a quick note too, so I'm posting this on Wednesday, the very first day back from spring break. So we're not actually doing a Google Hangout today. Wednesday the 25th. We'll do our first Hangout on Monday, on next Monday, which is the 30th. So if you have any questions about Thursday's assignment, the one that comes out Thursday morning, which would be the 26th, your first chance to ask those, in person via the Google Hangout Meet will be Monday the 30th. But you can always email me questions, of course. Hopefully that answers all of your questions, or some of them at least, to get us started. This is going to be an evolving thing. We're going to start off very slowly. It's not going to take you, a ton of time to do the first assignment, but we'll kind of gauge things in terms of picking it up a little bit in terms of the pace after the first week or two. So I hope everybody is staying healthy and somewhat relaxed, and hopefully we'll see you guys real soon in person. If not, hopefully you guys don't be afraid to check in on those Google Hangout Q&A sessions. Those are optional, and those are also, by the way, I don't think I mentioned this, those will pop up on Classroom. So everything you need in terms of what you need to know for the class is going to be on Classroom. So again, starting Thursday, March 26th will be your first assignment after this little video assignment. Basically just watching this video is your first technical assignment. So we'll talk to you guys later.